The event that 3-5 Lima Company went on today is we took a 6-mile hike, just a basic movement we go through just to get our Marines conditioned in order to move over long distances on patrol. And today we enveloped the Japanese forces in with us today, and they got a feeling of what we do on a regular basis. The most challenging part about today's event was most likely the heat. Some people aren't used to the humidity out here in Okinawa, Japan, and it's a really good kick for you. If you're not used to it, Marines just got to stay hydrated and keep moving. One of the main reasons that we're integrating with the Japanese so we can learn from their experiences and their types of training, and they can learn from us as well, especially since we're both integrated in a boat company in which we utilize small boats in order to insert into new locations that other types of platforms can't get to. So they're going to be working with us, and can't wait to get out there and see how they operate so we can learn some new things and definitely teach them new tactics from us as well.